Welcome back. Kindly do well to subscribe to this channel again and again. I keep reminding you, like and share the videos with your friends. I also love to hear from you, so please drop your comments. Thank you. In this class, I shall be treating pleiotropic effects and Lido genes. Pleiotropic effects or pleiotropy in genetics is simply a situation whereby one gene controls more than one phenotype or more than one phenotypic characteristics. It is expected that every gene should have a control on a particular character. Every gene should specialize and control a particular trait. But when you have a situation whereby a single gene now controlling multiple characters in an expression, then that kind of situation is called pleiotropy or pleiotropic effect. On the other hand, a little gene is a gene that results to the termination of life. It's a gene that kills the bearer. Okay, let us look at a simple practical example. Okay, let us say you have, this is from a classical example where there was a mating between two yellow mice, two yellow mice, and a shocking ratio was observed to be 2:1. Okay, so the assumption therefore is just like let us say these mice, they are heterozygotes. Okay, this is heterozygotes, yellow. This is the Punnett diagram, just using the Punnett diagram. Okay, so if you make this and this, you're gonna have y, and then this and this, you're gonna have y cap a small little y, and then here you're gonna have like this, and then here you're gonna have like this. Okay, so let us say that capital Y, allele Y, codes for yellowing of the coat. Okay, while small letter y codes for gray color of the coat. So you could see that from this mating, this Punnett square, it is expected that the ratio should be 3 yellow, and 1 gray. 1, 2, 3. Giving dominance. This is dominant over this. This is dominant over this. Heterozygote dominant. So phenotypically 1, 2, 3 should be yellow, and whereas this guy should be gray. But the observation was 2:1. So the conclusion from this observation at the molecular level by scientists is that this particular homozygous state led to the death of the bearer or the carrier of this homozygous state. So this Y allele, if it is a moderate form, in single form, it gives the yellowing of the color. But if it's in a dominant form like this, it constitutes an overdose, and that kills that organism. So in the liter size or at expression point, you will now find only 2 yellow and then 1 gray. Okay, so this is a situation whereby this was terminated as conception, so it was not even given birth to. Okay, so this is a situation whereby one gene, this letter Y, capital Y, controls color and also controls another trait, that is survivability or viability. So it controls viability, and at the same time it controls color. So it is an example of a gene controlling 2 traits, that is pleiotropy. And leader gene, in this case, this is an example of a leader gene. So a gene that once it is found, it leads to the termination of the fetus, so that or the embryo. Okay, so that's an example of a leader gene. Okay, see you in subsequent videos.